Going on, welcome back to my first video on Up on the Front. In today's video we're going to be doing a review on the Xiaomi Pro 2 scooter. I purchased this from Halfords for £600 I believe. I think we got a bit of discount as well. And the scooter's top speed is 15.5 miles an hour and the max range is 28 miles, 4 miles. So this is the accelerator and we have the brake, which is the disc brake, a bell and the screen. Front wheel drive with a motor in the front, and it's easy assemble just with a clip. It can fold down onto the back. So let's get into the features. So first off, we have this nice little kickstand, or just kicks in and out. It comes with a disc brake and a extra tyre and inner tube. Charging time is around 9 hours approximate. That's on the lowest of charge, so say if it was on like 1 or 2%. I didn't personally see any faults with it at the start, but there's just a little bit of glue there. It looks loose, but that's about it. All you have to do is screw the handlebars in and you're pretty much ready to go. So let's take it for a speed test. It's actually just peaking 23 kph. That's 24. It's quite good torque as well. It's got some good torque. Good brakes. Alright, downhill. I'm reaching 28. The scooter's not liking it, I can tell. I'll do like an acceleration test. Oh, I died. There you go. Some dodgy sounds going from right in it. I'm doing on purpose. Picking up the speed as it gets better. So guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed the review on the Xiaomi Pro 2 for the first video on my channel. I'll be doing more reviews and wheelie videos for my bike. That's what I made it for a wheelie channel. If you did enjoy, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on what you want to see next. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one, peace.